Nice cheap kind of budget recipe on the go today, and very easy to make as well. We're going to make a sausage creamy tomato pasta. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so look, you can see these three are roughly equal amounts, about 3 cups each. We've got canned tomatoes, tinned tomatoes. That was a whole plum tomato. I just roughly crushed that up with my hand. Pasta, I'm using penne, use any pasta that you want. And sausage, again, any sausage you like. I've got some chicken franks here, but yeah, use beef, veg, turkey, fish, whatever you like, whatever kind of sausage you want. 1.5 cups there of onion, tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons oregano, 2 teaspoons chili. Let's get moving. We're gonna add a couple of other bits. So super easy. In this wok type pan that I have here, I've got some oil. I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower, use whatever you want. Let's get that onion in. And you can see I've cut my onion really small. You don't actually have to. Let's get the sliced garlic in there. On and above medium heat, fairly lively. And then we're gonna go salt, black pepper, 3 minutes. Fabulous. Let's get our sausage in. And I've just cut mine in rings. I mean, you can chop it much smaller if you want. And the chili powder and oregano, or oregano as so many of you call that. And again, if you want, change that herb or spice to something that you like. And again, we're going to stay on this vibrant heat, and we're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time. Fabulous. Now we're going to go from above medium heat to below medium heat, and we're going to drop in that tomato. Canned tomato, like I say, that was a whole plum tomato. Crushed it with my hand. What we're going to do now is go for 5 to 6 minutes below medium heat. Give it a stir every now and then. We've pretty much done it. Okay, so you've got yourself a really lovely little sausage pasta sauce there. What I'm going to do, optional, is I'm going to get in 2 cups of grated cheese. Now I've got a mixture of cheese there, but you could just get some cheddar in there. You could get some Parmesan cheese in there. You could get some mozzarella in there, up to you what you want to put in. So we're just going to give that a little mix in. It's going to kind of make it a bit more sort of creamy. Then we're going to grab our pasta. We're going to get that in. And we're going to mix away. Now you could add quite a lot more pasta to this if you want. I'm being quite sort of stingy with the pasta. It's very saucy, this one. And let's just cook it for another 3 minutes, stirring all the time, just to heat up the pasta and bring that cheese into the sauce. Job done, delicious. And there you go, job done, nice and easy, budget friendly. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.